Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing an intriguing topic: meditation. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been proven to offer numerous benefits for the mind and body. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the benefits of meditation. Meditation can help you alleviate stress. By focusing on your breath and freeing your mind from distractions, you can create a sense of inner peace. It's an effective way to cope with day-to-day pressures. Moreover, meditation can enhance your concentration and focus. It helps you become more productive in your work and daily life. By practicing meditation regularly, you can gain control over your thoughts and maximize your performance. Meditation doesn't require any special equipment. You can do it anytime and anywhere. Simply sit comfortably, close your eyes, and start focusing on your breath. You can find various meditation guides on the internet or use available meditation apps. The benefits of meditation are not limited to your mind, but also have a positive impact on your physical health. Meditation can help lower blood pressure and boost your immune system. It's a good investment for your long-term health. So, those are some of the benefits of meditation that can help you reduce stress and calm your mind and body. Give this meditation practice a try and feel the positive changes in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about health and well-being topics. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed our content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future videos. If you have any questions or experiences with meditation, please share them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.